What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another tutorial video for FiveM. In this video, I'll be showing you how to set up your Essentials base server. This is like all my other videos where I give you all the files, we do a couple of things, and it's ready to go. The reason I'm making another one, even though I already have an Essentials server out there, that one has a lot of scripts loaded. This one is a base load only, that way I can make tutorial videos on how to add future scripts. So let's jump right in. First thing you need to do is go into the description of this video and go ahead and join my Discord. You're going to get to this page right here, read over the rules and hit verify on down here, just click that and you'll be able to see everything. Once you're in here, you can join or stay, I should say, and there's great support in here, a lot of members, we're over 200 members, but if you just want the files and leave, that's perfectly fine as well. Scroll down to where it says ESX server files and click on that. We're going to worry about the Essentials base server right here. Go ahead and click that link and download that. Close this out and you'll be ending up with this right here. Okay, what we're going to do is right click on that and click extract here and you'll end up with this file. We can get rid of this and we're going to work with this one. What I need you to do right now is put this where you want to save it. If you want to keep it on a desktop, great. If you want it somewhere else, go put it there. And you can also rename it right now. Just make sure when you rename it, you do not have any spaces in your name of the folder. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to open this up and you're going to see three things, 2 folders and 1 file. This is your database file. So we need to open up our database. I will not show you how to set it up. I have other videos out there that show you, but I'm using XAMPP. Once you install it, just start these 2 services and hit admin. That brings up your database. Inside the database, we need to go over here and create a new one. And we're going to name it just like this. So to make sure there's no spelling mistakes, we're going to rename this and copy that. Come over here, paste that in and hit create. Once it's created, we take that file and just drag it into that window. It'll upload it. If we hit refresh, you can see everything's in here now. Now we go over here and go to server data and go to server.cfg. With this full file right here, you need to go all the way to the bottom and update your keymaster key and your API key. Here are the links to go to the places to get the key. I will not show you how to do it simply because I have videos out there already showing you. Now the reason I'm going through this video kind of fast is because I have other videos out there that explain all this, so this one is rather fast just to show you quickly how to set this up. But since I'm not going to show you how to do those, I'm just going to delete this file and drag in my server.cfg that already has my key, master key, and my API key in there. Now the next thing we need to do is start the server. So go ahead and hit this drop down, go to view and make sure your file name extensions is enabled. Once you have done that, right click in the window, go to new text document and name it. Before you name it, highlight everything and type start.bat, hit enter and yes, rename it. Go ahead and open that up now. I use Visual Studio Code for coding. You can use Notepad, totally up to you. When that's open, go back to your directory window here, your Explorer window, hit this address and copy that. Come back in here, type cd space, paste that address you just copied. Hit enter, paste it again, delete the dash data, put a slash, type fxserver.exe, make sure you type it exactly just like that. That way there are no errors in the future. Now hit plus, execute, server.cfg and hit save. Now since our database is set up and we have done this, we can go ahead and start this, close out of that, and we're just going to make sure everything starts up. As you can see, there are no errors whatsoever and our server's online. Going to drag that to the side and we're going to go ahead and start FiveM now and connect to it just so I can show you guys what it looks like when you first join on this base server. All we're going to do is go over here and hit localhost. We're going to wait. As you can see, it's connecting, getting some policies, and it says connecting the German. Right here is the base load screen for Essentials server. I think it looks pretty cool, but I do have videos coming out in the very near future on how to change it to something more of your style. So if you want to see that, make sure to subscribe. Also like this video. I put a lot of effort behind these videos and getting these files all set up and ready for you. And make sure to leave a comment. And again, join a Discord if you haven't already and stay in there for support when you have issues. So as you can see, you jump right in there. You have your money system already set up and create a character. So we're going to create a character. And we're just going to whatever, just like that, and hit submit. It says welcome John. Awesome, just like that. And there you go. You have your base server loaded for Essentials. As you can see, if you open up your menu, There's nothing in here besides a little mask shop. I'm not sure why it comes with a mask shop, but yeah, it does. So there you go. There's your base essential server. And again, make sure you subscribe for the future videos on how to add stuff to this, and leave a like. We'll see you in the next one. See ya.